When it comes to Wi-Fi, milliseconds mean everything. There can be no hesitation, no delays, no interruptions. And to win, you have to be faster, stronger, and smarter than the competition. Introducing the Nighthawk AC1900 Smart Wi-Fi Router from Netgear, the most advanced evolution in routers that maximizes your experience with a new revolution of online gaming and streaming. It's the fastest available. No more lag while gaming and streaming. It's stronger. Advanced Beamforming Plus technology locks onto and tracks Wi-Fi devices, delivering a direct signal beam that increases network speed, range, and performance by up to 100%. 3 external antennas coupled to high-power amplifiers maximize range for total home coverage. It's smarter. The dual-core 1 GHz processor powers automatic Wi-Fi bandwidth priority for game consoles like Xbox One and 360, for the best online gameplay with no lag. Nighthawk gives automatic high priority to streaming video services like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon, and Hulu Plus, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment whenever you want it. Automatic backups for Mac and PC. Ensure your files are safely stored in your USB hard drive attached to the router. Faster, stronger, smarter. Get the most advanced AC Wi-Fi router for the ultimate in interruption-free gaming, streaming, and mobility. The Nighthawk from Netgear. Accelerate your Wi-Fi. Accelerate the way you play.